V9 hands-free headset. You probably saw this being as the one of the top sellers on Amazon or eBay, price range around $8.99 to $12.99, and now you're wondering if you should go ahead and spend a few dollars on this headset, whether it's worth it or not. So it comes in a little box, as you can see here, and this is what it comes with. It's a micro USB cable, meaning that chances are the product has older tech built into it. But the spec says it's 5.0 in terms of Bluetooth. If you need to charge it, you can stick it into a laptop computer or use any other adapter to charge it up, which is what I usually do. It has a simple button layout, just got it on and off, got your volume up and down, and your USB charging port right underneath the on and off switch. Mine, the on and off switch is kind of loose. This is just a closer look at the speaker part where the sound comes from. And there is a button right where the earbud section is for play, pause, and answer and call. All right. So looks great so far. It's supposed to be a lightweight design kind of headset and fits around your ear perfectly, just like that as you're seeing right now. So it's pretty cool in terms of fit. After the first few full charges, you will get 5 to 6 hours, but then eventually you'll start to get less than 5 hours, and it does take about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it. And comfort-wise, I'll say it's on the okay side, but you might get a bit of this weight on the back of your ear. Now, pairing for this headset is fairly simple. As you turn it on, it's going to go into pairing mode, and it's going to appear as V9 headset. As you select it on your device, it's going to pair up for you, and it also has the auto reconnect. So if you connected it once and it's there in your device, save, then you turn it off. You simply just go ahead and turn it on like this here. It's going to say power on, and you can see it's immediately connected for calls and audio. This thing can also be used to play music, and the main physical button here does work as a play pause as well as a answer and end call button. So I can play it from here, and you can see it plays. There was a delay, and I can pause it as well, okay? The volume keys doesn't work as volume up for the player, but it works as volume up and down for calls. However, it does work as a forward and back track button for playing music. And just to get an idea of how good it sounds, or almost good, so hopefully you can make that out, and fairly okay for the most part. Here's a call test that will help you decide if this is worth buying or not. Here goes. Test. When there's some noise, you can hear that outside noise, and testing out the V9 Bluetooth headset. Hopefully you can't hear me as I'm talking to myself to a phone that's nearby. What do you think? Can you hear that? Good. Hey, that's it. So it's got some few tricks up its sleeves, but that call quality is terrible, and if you're looking for something with clear call quality, you might want to save your money and get something better than this here. If you're looking for something simple, affordable, and just to use temporarily at the time until you can get something better, then I'll say go for it, but just don't expect it to be the best out there or have your hopes up too high. And being that I paid for this, I'll tell you definitely no, save your money and get something better. But if you really have to, then the chance and risk is all on you. But I mean, overall, the design is pretty swell and cool. And the fact that you can play music